In this series of recordings, and this is going to be a short series actually, we're just going to take a view of what we actually see when we get into a SolidCAM project. Now we're talking about after we've created our setup for our part, and this doesn't make a difference whether you're in 2D, 3D, multi-axis, Swiss type machines. All what I will be showing you now will be true for all of the cases. So let's take a look at what we see here. Well, first we have the CAM tree where we see our CAM part. If I double click on it or right click, we can go CAM part definition, go back to the actual definition of the part where we were before. We can see the machine that we picked and all its VMID information. We can go and add coordinate systems through the coordinate system manager. We can redefine our stock if necessary. We have our target here, and underneath the target we have all the features that we may have recognized as far as holes goes. We have updated stock. You'll see that as we go through the operations, we'll be able to see our updated stock that we have right now. If I click on it right now, you can see the actual stock that we have up until this point, because I have not done any operations on it. We have our toolkit, where our tools are located. Machining process, our hole wizard process. Stored geometries are geometries that you may have created and then deleted the operation, so those geometries are still stored in this area over here. Our actual operations, right click, we can actually add operations from here. And our part setup as it is on the machine. That's including fixtures, and there'll be a whole series of recordings on that as well. On the right hand side, we have our task pane with our templates, drag and drop templates. We can open and close that window from over here. We also have process templates, our whole wizard processes, and we can also manage our templates from here as well. We also have another tab over here. We can open up a new part, browse for parts that we've done in the past. We can create or edit the tool libraries that we have and the settings for that. We have all our help here, which includes our SolidCAM chat box, which will give you answers just about anything you have in SolidCAM just by simply asking it. Is SolidCAM help topics, basically all the different help topics are set over here, as well as the SolidCAM settings. And at the bottom, we also have a list of the most recent parts that you worked on. In our next recording, we'll go through the ribbons that we have on top, and we'll also take a look what we see inside the operations itself that are common for all the operations that we have in SolidCAM.